Okay, so as the sun goes down on Toronto, when you see this beautiful sunset that's just coming up across the sky, the thoughts that are coming to me for this video are: look at the beauty of nature. Look at the beauty of yourself and all the wonderfulness that you are, how all the awesomeness that you are. Just like nature, you are all awesome and beautiful in your own unique ways. And as you realize that, just as you look at the natural landscape of a beautiful spot, um, your true essence will show, and it will show you that you are awesome, that you are beautiful, and that you are the amazing, beautiful, and awesome creation of nature, just like the sunset and the water and the trees and the rocks.